Yeah, hey everybody.
Start over.
Hey every guys.
Hey.
Hey every guys. We are so good at this. How's my hair? Does it look stupid?
No, it's good.
Okay, alright. Hey everybody.
Greetings from French Polynesia. It's Warren and Erica here.
In case you didn't know. Listen, we have...
Hey everyone.
How are you guys?
It's Warren and Erica here.
In case you didn't know.
And we have a question for you.
Do you like what you see? Have you ever wanted to go sail with us here in French Polynesia?
Well, we have a really special opportunity to sail in French Polynesia on a boat in Bora Bora, and we're inviting you to come join us. Come see what it's like to live aboard for a week, hoist the sails, drop the anchor, and explore the beautiful islands here.
Yep, just basically be part of our crew. So if you are interested, we have a few spots open, and you're going to need to jump on this quick because it's January 11th through the 18th. We're going to have all the information you need in an information packet. You got to email us. We have all that information below.
In the details below.
And we'll email you right back, and we'll get this ball rolling. Okay?
So let's go sailing.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
See ya.